Hi, Gary Guth here with the Piper Circle. Let's talk about building tunes. Okay? Building tunes is like baking chocolate chip cookies. Okay? If you've ever done the Nestle's Toll House chocolate chip cookie recipe, on the back of the Nestle's Toll House baggie that has all the chocolate chips in it, what they tell you to do first is to combine the flour, the salt, and the baking soda together. Those are the dry ingredients. Okay, so what I do is I acquaint that to developing the rhythm. Okay, the first thing that you should do with every tune is define the rhythm and practice saying it so that you can say it at a walking pace. Okay, once you've done that, then you're going to combine the wet ingredients. What would they be? That would be the butter, the eggs, the sugar, the brown sugar, and the vanilla. That's what they tell you to do in the Nestle's cookie recipe. So that would be the fingering. Okay, it's the fingering that takes the longest to develop and so forth. So if you already have the rhythm developed and now you're working on the fingering, what will happen is that your fingering will automatically fall into place in the rhythm because you took the time to develop that. So that's where you combine now the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients and so forth. And then as you get better, musical expression comes out. Those are the chocolate chips. So you stir in the chocolate chips and then you bake it over a period of time. So learning to play a tune is like developing or baking chocolate chip cookies. Okay? I hope you enjoyed this video.